Hi guys! It's spring break! Tara, samahan nyo kaming mag-hiking dito sa Panorama Park, Bakersfield, California. The sun is out. Medyo mainit-init na. Oh guys, it's hiking season. O diba sabi, dapat nating i-enjoy whatever season we're in. Thank God, sobrang game din tong mga batang to. Medyo challenging pero kaya naman. Aba naman, may pa-lock bridge pa sila dito. Alam mong super enjoy sila kasi maya ayan, napag-iwanan na ako ni Brent at ni Kelly. Ang layo na nila. Oh my, nagka-bushfire din pala dito.
I give it a few years, I'll be in full bloom.
Nainip na si Kelly. Ang babagal daw namin. Oo, nak, eto na. Grabe pag thunders na, pero pilitin nating sabayan yung mga anak. Grabe, hingal moments. Lumalaki na naman ilong natin dito. Doon ito nag-park. Eto guys, grabe, medyo risky din naman talaga. Naku, pag nahulog ka doon, wala. Which side you wanna go?
This is better.
At talaga naman, nag-argue pa sila. Marami kasi pwedeng daanan. Depende na lang sa'yo. Anyways, that's all for today, guys. Till our next reels. Bye!
Okay, you can pee up here.